Stable Diffusion brings huge revelations in artificial intelligence. Various Stable Diffusion models and checkpoints and models can create outstanding images from text prompts. Day by day it becomes more powerful with every update. Recently Stable Diffusion released their latest version SD3. It's really exciting. But there is a bad news. Shakkar AI banned SD3 on Stability.ai. So, you can't use this amazing new model of Stable Diffusion. Don't worry, still, you can use SD3. Because today I will introduce a new amazing AI image generator, where you can use all the SD3 models and checkpoints. So, without further ado, let's dive in. This is David and you are watching AI Lockup. Introducing Shakkar AI, a powerful AI image generator and models hub for art lovers. With this amazing tool, you can create any kind of image. I will put the link in the description. Just head over there and then create an account with your Google or email account. Once you are logged in, you will find a vast number of image generation models for various use cases. For example, photography, illustration, architecture and space design, game design, anime, 3D, and many more. To find your desired model, you can set the filter from here. For example, I want to use only models which are based on the new SD3. So, I am selecting SD3 from here. Top of the base model, you will find the model type. Here I am selecting checkpoint. We will choose the LoRa and other models later in the image generation page. On the bottom, you will find the model application scope and commercial license. If you select generated image as commercially usable from here, then you will get the commercial license of your generated image. That's really incredible. Now these are our filtered models. We can select any checkpoint model from here to generate the images. For example, I want to generate images with this model. So, I am selecting it. This is the model page. Here you will find three options. Run the model, add to favorite, and download. Yes, you can download the model and install it locally. Now if we click on the Run Model, it will redirect us to the image generator page. Another way to access the image generator page is to click on this image generator option from the home page. Alright, let's have a look at this image generator interface. On the left side of the page, you will notice some images generated by Shakkar AI. To generate our own images, we have to come to the right side. Here on the top, you will find the prompt box. Here you have to add the text prompt. For example, I am entering a ready prompt. You can enhance the prompt also. Under the prompt box, you will find the negative prompt option. That means what you don't want to your image. For example, I am typing ugly, blurry, extra hand, extra limb, bad anatomy. There are some negative prompt presets also available here. Next, the base model checkpoint. We already chose our base model checkpoint. But if you want to change the checkpoint, then click on the model name. Now you will find all the checkpoint models from Shakkar AI. Like before, you can set the filter to find the desired one. Okay, after selecting the base model, come to the Enhance Model or LoRa option. LoRa, Low Rank Adaptation, is basically a method designed to fine-tune large-scale models in a more efficient manner. To add any LoRa model, click on Add LoRa from here. Here you will find a vast number of LoRa models for various styles. Select your desired one. You can multiple LoRa to get more personalized output, so, to get the best result, play around them. After LoRa settings, you will find the options for image reference. If you want to generate a new image with any image reference, then you can add it from here. Next, the parameters settings. Here you will find some advanced options. First of all, the sampler methods, lots of them here to choose from. I can't go into details about all of them, but I could pretty much guarantee you they're pretty much all here. Same with sampling steps. We have a default 20, but if we want more, we can go ahead and add in more. Next, the seed. If you want to use a fixed set to generate consistent images, you can enter the seeds here. This time, I will go with random seeds. Next, you will find a very important feature. Fix hand or face. Sometimes various AIs generate unusual hand or facial features. This option is to fix them. After that, very importantly, we can make some changes down here, particularly image size. It defaults to 1024 by 768, but you can do 2048 by 2048 and a variety of other sizes. I'm gonna keep it on the default because it's just a little bit quicker there, and the fewer pixels, the faster. And then more, I guess critically here, look at this image number. It's set to 2, but I can go ahead and jack that up to 4. So if I did that, it would use 52 credits, 13 credits per image. But if we use any model from XDL or XD 1.5, it will cost only 2 credits per image. Alright, after everything is set, hit the generate button. And here are they. You can see, Shakkar AI generates 4 images for us. Honestly, the image quality is just amazing. Now you will find some options under every image. First, the very stable. If you want to generate a variation of any particular image, click here. And you can see, it generates 4 variations of the first image. Next, if you want to reuse any image prompt but can't remember the prompt, simply click on the prompt, and the prompt using the image will be added to the prompt box. Next, if you want to find the model you used to generate any image, click on the Match Model button from here. In the end, if you want to use any image as the reference image, you can do it by simply clicking on the reference button. Okay, now I'm gonna put that one here, and maybe I'll put that one here. What I'm basically showing you here is the infinite canvas of this platform. It is the only one I've seen that does this, but literally you can rearrange the images as you see fit. If you are a comic artist, or if you create comic books, or you're storyboarding and you want to make sure that your images are in order, this platform has that built into it, and again, I think it's the only one that does this. So kudos to them for thinking that up. So there we go. We've got our images now. Let's take a look at this. So I'm gonna click on this one here, and when I do that, if I want to download it, I could just click on this little down arrow and presto, I've got it. There you go. It's downloaded, and if I open it, check this out. Let's go ahead and click on the open file, Curtis. Opened it, and there you go. That's the image. Notice how there's no watermark. This is very important. Most AI image generators that allow you to try it out for free come with watermarks, and some of them, I'm looking at you Midjourney, don't even give you a free trial. They don't even let you try one without paying for it. So very cool stuff. And again, this is kind of cool that they're doing this. Okay, now let's move forward to some other incredible features of Shakkar AI. On the top of the canvas, you will find some other features to customize your generation. Let's explore them one by one. First of all, the in-paint option. With this tool, we can in-paint any part of our image. For example, in this image, you may notice 2 characters. I want to change this smaller character into a tiger. So, after selecting the in-paint tool, I will select the image. Once the analysis is completed, you can select an object with the Auto Selector tool. There is a lasso and rectangle selector also. I am selecting only the small character part. After selecting the area, come to the prompt box and enter your object description. After entering the description, hit the Generate button. And you can see, Shakkar AI generates 4 variations for us. Now you can select anyone and send it to the canvas. Okay, the next feature is the upscale image. With this tool, you can upscale any image up to 4x. After selecting the image, click on the upscale image. Now set the upscale value, parameter scale, and style. Next, in the advanced option, you will find options like details, HDR, similarity, and prompt. Once everything is set, hit the Generate button. And here it is, the upscaled image is ready. Alright, the next feature is Remove Background. Yes, with this feature you can remove any image background in a single click like this. Next, with this Remove tool, you can remove any object from the image. After selecting the image, select the area with the lasso or rectangle selector tool and then hit the Remove button. After that, you can crop any image with this Crop tool. Next, the Outpaint tool. You can expand any image with this Outpaint tool. And if you want to make a collage, then select all the images you want to use, and then hit the Collage button from here. And here it is, your collage is ready. In this method, you can create and customize images with Shakkar AI. In my opinion, this image generator platform is truly a game changer. Because it supports the brand new SD3 model and has some extraordinary features. And most importantly, you will get 200 credits per day for free. If you need more, then you can buy one of the premium plans, which starts only from $8. You will also get unlimited access to member-exclusive models, which allows you to use generated pictures for commercial purposes. I will put the link in the description. So, enjoy your image generation with Shakkar AI. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience of creating images with Shakkar AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!